Hello, and welcome to another Take 5 with Tara. I'm your host, Tara Schinkel from Stewart Technologies. Today we'll be focused on number 5 in our series of using Sage distribution and manufacturing operations to streamline order fulfillment. On our last part, we focused on how to receive the product into the warehouse from purchase orders. And so for today, we're going to teach you how to do allocation to sales orders in bulk and then actually use the dashboard to ship them out. This can be a huge time savings when you're fulfilling inventory and applying it to sales orders. So let's walk through how this will work. So first thing you'll see me do is I'm going to go to sales order mass allocation. And first thing you'll see is my action is allocation. I'm going to go ahead and pick my company and I'm going to pick my warehouse. Now from here, I can decide if I want to do all sales orders or just a select few. And once I've got my allocation set up, I can either decide if I want to allocate real time or if I want to schedule. So if this was a large order, or let's say I was doing all of my allocations for the next day, well, then I may decide to actually schedule that. Now, in this case, I'm going to click allocate, and you'll see that my allocation has been submitted. Now, typically, you'll see a pop-up window here that'll indicate when the allocation is done. If you don't receive the pop-up, you can also check your results by going to stock inquiries and allocation results. And this will show you all the allocations that were done for that day. And you'll see when I come in here, it'll tell me that it successfully completed those allocations. So now that our allocations are done, I'm going to go back to the home screen and you'll see I have my dashboard for orders to deliver. And so within the orders to deliver, I can actually bulk ship product out. Now, in this particular case, I've got 2 orders going to the same customer, Levine Furniture. And so when you do the bulk shipment creation, it does have the capability of combining orders together. So what's going to happen here is when I select these 2 orders, it's actually going to combine them onto one shipment for me. If there was a reason where I maybe wanted to keep them separate, then you can also just do individual shipments as well. So now you're going to see I'm going to hit create, and SDMO is going to tell me that one shipment has been generated. So now to see my shipments, I would go over to sales and sales shipment. Now at this point, I have a couple of options in terms of what to do. Now, ready to process just means that these orders are ready to go. Ready to ship means that I've printed the picking sheet and I've confirmed. So what I'm going to do here is I can actually bulk select a few that I want to process. And at this point, I can print my pick list. So I'll just hit print pick, click OK. Now my printing of picking has started. And now I can just confirm them. So you're going to see me go ahead, and these are the ones I want to confirm. And so confirming means that I'm verifying that the shipment is indeed ready to go. And you'll notice if everything's been done right, the status will actually change to ready to ship. So once you have it in ready to ship mode, you can simply select the ones, and maybe I have a few that I may want to print the packing list out for. And so now I can come in, I can select this and hit print packing list and click OK. And now it's generating my packing list printing for me. So as you can see from this, I have an easy and quick, efficient way to ship my orders, print my packing list, print my picking sheets, and do that all within a few clicks. Notice again, if I go back to my home, you'll see now under my shipping area, I'll have orders in here that are now ready to be invoiced because they've been shipped out. And so really you'll see with this whole streamlined workflow, I'm really able to do everything I need to with just a click of a couple of buttons. So thank you so much for your time. This concludes our Using Sage Distribution and Manufacturing Operations to Streamline Order Fulfillment series. I hope you learned how powerful SDMO can be for streamlining your order fulfillment from order entry all the way to receiving to fulfilling it out to an invoice. Thank you for your time and stay tuned for our next Take 5 with Tara. Have a great day.